So this is this is what it looks like when you were meant to fly to South America on your birthday, but you can't because of coronavirus and lockdown. So this is what my birthday has looked like this year. I completely dressed up by my parents and did a trek through the entire house, seeing all the corners of the property, doing different fun activities. Take a look. Oh, I look hilarious. So for those of you who are messaging me and asking me if I was really flying to South America, no, I'm not really flying to South America, but I was meant to.
Dude, are you okay?
Totally.
My parents gave me this little printed boarding pass, and it says, to me, going to Peru and Bolivia, leaving from gate 5 because it's the 5th month, boarding at 12 noon, we're running a little bit late, and seat 28A, because I'm turning 28, okay. The flight is CT, Cape Town, PB, Peru, Bolivia, 1992. And then I also got an itinerary from Angel Flight Center about what I'm getting up to today. So it's all in here. And then I got told that I have to pack my bag, my hiking boots, wear black, and to plait my hair. So I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm going. Goodbye. Okay, passport, sunglasses, phone.
This is a final boarding call for Miss Jade Calmere. She does not come to the counter within the next 5 minutes.
2 minutes.
She will be thrown off the plane.
I've got 2 minutes to board until I'm being thrown off the plane. I'm ready.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning.
You are holding up the whole flight. Where's your boarding
Sorry.
ticket?
Oh.
Let me show you to your seat. 28A. It's first class, eh?
What?
Right.
Okay.
Enjoy. There's your bag of goodies. Eats and nibbles. I have announcement. Ping pong, ping pong. Witness Jade Calmere. Please call Barbara to tell her that you are in the plane.
I'm about to call Barbara to tell her I'm in the plane. I'm officially in the plane. Hey, Nunu, you're in South America. My biggest fear is down snake. Conquered the Amazon forest. You sure the actual shaman's doing it for this long, but okay.
Woo!
Hola.
Hola.
¿Qué tal?
¿Qué tal?
Which is how are you? Muy bien, gracias. Gracias.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Gracias.
How was it?
Unbelievable. Breathtaking. This is back.
Love the headgear especially.
What?
Once upon the bottle because Corona.
Corona.